everyone, welcome back to another W211 video, and this is just a super quick video today to share with you one of the best scan tools that I've found that is compatible with this W211. It is called iCarsoft MB version 2.0. You might see a couple other versions, but iCarsoft is the brand, and this is quite robust. It's just like the Foxwell scan tools that you see for BMW. It goes for around $145 to $150 on Amazon, and this lets you get into all of the computer systems, the SBC pump, the ABS, all of the computer systems on this car. And I actually just used it to erase one of the fault codes I had for the AC compressor. This AC off light was on, and there was a hard fault that prevented me from turning the compressor on and charging the system. So with the scan tool, I was able to clear that AC code and turn on the compressor and charge it. And now the AC is blowing great. So this is one of the preferred manufacturers of Mercedes-Benz software, and you can get some much more expensive units, like Mercedes Star system, I believe it's called, can be $600 or $700. Might be important if you need more capability, like coding or changing some of the factory settings. That's not me though. Just need it for your essential diagnostics and what have you. So yes, I'll put a link for this in the description below. $145 on Amazon. It's a great deal, considering if you have to go to an indie repair shop or the dealership, you will pay $185 or $195 diagnostic fee right off the bat. That one time will cover the cost of this. So if you have an old Mercedes like this W211, would recommend checking this out. As always, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more W211 content.